We have noticed a lot of fame, name, and money in the crypto sphere within the past couple of weeks or days. However, how long do you think it'll last? Is the current boom enough to maintain the growth rate and make more money out of it? Stay tuned to find out more about it. In this video, we'll be speaking about what we feel could be the price of Dogecoin by the end of the year 2021. We will also tell you why this is possible, and we'll do a short technical analysis of the current status. Welcome back to this channel. If this is what you've been looking for, stay tuned until the end, and do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. While we're here, allow us to remind you that we will be giving away 1 Ethereum to our random subscribers. All you have to do is hit the like button for this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Good luck! Let us start with today's video. Keeping aside all the other factors, one thing that's been affecting Dogecoin a lot is that the Tesla CEO's backing up has constantly been getting. The support received from him has been astounding and remarkable to the entire success. This perhaps has been the driving factor for many investors, and many have even relied only upon the tweets that Elon makes on his Twitter account as a reason to buy or sell his or her investment in the same. With such an influence on the 45 million followers he has, there are all the chances for Elon to control the fate of Dogecoin in the coming years. However, he hasn't been the only one who's been gaining attention. We have the founder of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, showing up into the whole scene. As we know, the petition to include Dogecoin as a mode of payment has already gained more than 150,000 signatures. This means that there are a huge number of people who want to see Dogecoin being used even more than it is right now. Speaking about which, let us look a bit into a few other technicalities. Dogecoin has more than $2 billion daily transaction value, while the total market value is just around $40 billion. The total market cap of Dogecoin is not even near that of Bitcoin, with $1 trillion. Even then, the daily transaction value is in percentages and proportion to that of the market cap much higher than Bitcoin's. This concludes and evidences that Dogecoin is being used much more in ratio to that of Bitcoin. The primary reason for that is the high prices that Bitcoin has. It becomes extremely difficult to make small transactions with such high prices, as they end with huge decimals following them. This increases the chances of errors that later take a while to rectify. This is why Dogecoin saw a higher usage than that of Bitcoin in proportion to the market value. We still have more than 150,000 people trying to get Dogecoin into Amazon. This means that a lot more people other than those who have already been trading using the same are interested in using Dogecoin in their everyday life. This is the reason why Elon Musk called this coin to be the people's coin. Apart from the people's support, what we see is working for Dogecoin is the community it has behind it. It has people from all across the world, and they seem to be working well in coordination. We saw active participation of Dogecoin in sending the Jamaican bobsled team to the Olympics in the 2014 Winter Olympics in Sochi. The costs for the same were entirely supported and sponsored by the community. In another incident, we witnessed the Doge for Water movement in Kenya. We could see the community donating over $10,000 worth of Dogecoin back then for the movement. Social causes are one of the most critical aspects for the growth of any investment. As we know, it is crucial to develop the surroundings we live in to develop as well. If the surrounding in which we live continues to be in a bad state, there is no way we'll ever benefit from all the profits we make through any investment. This is why Dogecoin has been consistent in developing the world as it develops. Dogecoin has seen a 6,000% spike so far in 2021. Accumulating that with the already existing increase in the prices of the coin and the changing monetary policies and regulation of assets, the time seemed to be suitable for the coins generally. For anyone who can do basic mathematics, this number will undoubtedly look lucrative, and so they are. The very fact that Dogecoin has been rising by over 5,000% through a few years is in itself a treat for investors. However, we think that the matter does not consolidate here yet. We have more than 52 million crypto traders all over the world. This is the market we could have for Dogecoin. With the increasing popularity and the returns that it's been giving to its investors, we can be sure that more and more people will start entering this coin looking for a part of the profit. Ever since we surpassed or are still going through the pandemic in many places globally, the bank interest rates seem to have gone down by a huge margin. Therefore, we have investors looking for more profitable and viable options to keep gaining more money and store their wealth throughout this recession period. As we see more and more people investing in this, we will see wide acceptability of Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies. This, therefore, will also increase the prices and could be a factor to break off the critical resistance level at 60 cents. Given the historical data that we have for Dogecoin and the fact that it's been breaking all records since the start of 2021, we cannot even doubt Dogecoin not to expand further. The prices will continue to rise now that we also have new people entering into Dogecoin. By that, we refer to Mark Cuban, Jeff Bezos, and a couple of other people who have a significant influence on the people. Mark Cuban's recent tweet said, to kinda quote a movie, "Doge keeps going up, but our pricing at DallasMavs.shop stays the same." We just set a 24-hour record for the merch sales in Doge. Put that Doge to the work. This tweet clearly explains the interest in the use of Dogecoin. As we see more such influential people entering this coin, we'll notice more work being accomplished and more profits being gained. He continued with another tweet recently on April 16, 2021. He added that, FYI, the Mavs sales in @Dogecoin have increased 550% over the past month. We have now sold more than 122,000 Doge in merchandise. We will never sell one single Doge ever, so keep buying. The second tweet clearly explains the profit that he's incurred just over the past month. He therefore encourages people to keep buying cryptocurrency, as it's a win-win for either side. The speculations on return on investment are another reason why we believe Doge could soon reach the moon. With news of Dogecoin being implemented and available for trading on Coinbase, there are high chances that the 43 million users there will be able to use Dogecoin as well. If this happens, we will see a massive increase in the value of Dogecoin being traded across the world. Therefore, as we know, as the number of people increases, the value of the same will also increase. Such an increase in the value will certainly not be a minor one, and could easily be the reason to set Dogecoin off to the $1 mark or even higher. This, on the other hand, is detained by a lot of people. One major reason for that is the unlimited supply nature that Dogecoin has. This also was clarified by many people, and one among them also gained the attention of Elon Musk. Elon then left a like to that Twitter thread, which was later all across the internet yet again. Even the like seems to have generated a minor spike in the prices. Being inflationary has led to much criticism for Dogecoin. This is why someone decided to release a post, and lucky for them, the post ended up in Elon Musk's feed. He clarified that even though Dogecoin is inflationary, the amount of inflation keeps going down by a certain margin each year, as the number of coins mined remain the same. The value keeps increasing. This will ultimately lead to a point where there will just be a negligible number of coins being released each year, and thus making it a rare commodity. As Dogecoin started its recent rally, other exchanges like Coinbase also asserted that it's been seeing a wide acceptance of Dogecoin in recent times. These factors certainly favor Dogecoin, and it becomes irresistible not to speak bullishly about it. We hope this video was fruitful enough for you, and you could make a lot of profits through the same. Make sure you leave a like for this video, and also subscribe to this channel. We will be back with more videos, and if you want to stay updated, turn on the post notifications and never miss anything out. We will be here the next time we upload another video. Till we meet again, keep researching and learning at a pace incomparable to others.